What is good, you guys? It's your boy George back with another video today. Today we have the Kith New Balance 990 V3. These released on June 6th. I was able to pick up a pair through the email access. I just want to give you guys a closer look and an on-foot look, and let's go ahead and jump into that right now. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take a closer look at these Kith 990 V3s. So if you're new to the channel, you may not know, but I am a huge fan of New Balance 990s, particularly the 990 V3. That model is my favorite out of all the 990s, all the versions. And this was a pickup that I had to pick up. It was just super clean. I actually already laced these up, so when I open these up, they're already going to be laced. But let's go ahead and take a look. We got the New Balance, the gray standard gray New Balance box, which we have here. M990 Ki3, the Kith tag, 10.5, but just a standard box. But what's really nice is the shoes inside of them. Oh my lord, let's check these out. All right, here we are, guys. The Kith 990 V3. I believe this is the first Kith collab in a V3 for the New Balance for this specific model of the shoe. I know they did stock the gray 990 V3s like a while back, and people started calling them Kith Gray, but it's just a standard 990. But this is different. This is a Kith collaboration with New Balance, so this color of the 990 V3s hasn't been seen before, although these do look very similar to the Adson collab that happened probably a couple years ago. Let me know in the comments down below if you think they look very similar, which I think they're very close, just a couple of differences. Maybe the sole is a little different, but the color is kind of the same. So let's take a look at these. We have a nice suede, like a navy suede, but if you look at it in the sunlight, it almost looks like brown and gray. You got the mesh tongue, the liner throughout. You got your nice reflective New Balance logo right here. These cream laces came with it. It also came with 2 sets of navy laces, which I'm not going to use. This cream is all I need. The cream laces on these are beautiful. Part of the reason I wanted to pick up the shoe because it looks so good with them on. You got the silver 990 right here in the back, as well as the silver New Balance logo. On my other 990s, they're actually red, so it just looks a little bit cleaner. I think what really stands out about this shoe is the sole. You have that little cream hit on the midsole right here. And then at the bottom as well, you get that little cream hit at the bottom. It looks very nice. The only one thing that I didn't really like about this one was how the New Balance is stitched onto the tongue. I like how it's on the other shoes, on the regular 990 V3s. It's just like an emblem. It's not stitched into it. It just looks kind of strange to me. But other than that, I'm a fan of these shoes. Let's see how they look like on feet, and we'll go ahead and jump into that right now. Alright guys, what did you guys think of the Kith New Balance 990 V3? Is it overrated, overhyped? I personally think this is a solid colorway that I could wear with anything, and it's just super clean. And if you guys are thinking about picking up a pair, I suggest you go to your true to size. I have sized down in 990 V3s before, and they do run a little snug. So If it's a significantly cheaper price, you can probably get away with it, but I'd say go to your true size. As always, thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. Go ahead and leave a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting some new pickups that I get, as well as Patagonian North Face stuff, some outdoor stuff that I've been picking up. If you want to go ahead and check out our Instagram, you can check it out at Outdoor Archive, and we sell some vintage pieces on there. But that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Peace.